Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen how we can create an object for a class and how we can assign the values to that object variables and customize them, right? And also we verified by printing those values and made sure this has been customized, the values has been assigned, and also we implemented a method also that was inside the class. So that means inside a template or class we have created variables or attributes, and we have created methods, and we have created an object for them and assigned, customized and verified, and also we have implemented the method of the class using that object, or we have used them and made sure it works. And also we create another new object for my friend car, and we assigned customized different values for these variables, attributes, and also we verified that the method or this functionality also from my friend car object as well. Okay, so you can see we were able to customize this variable, right? For my friend car also I can giving a different color. For me I am giving a different color, right? So this is red, this is green, so this wheels is 4, this is 8. So we can customize it always, right? So I will just run it and verify it works fine. Okay, fine. So you see for my car these things are happening. So red 4, red is here, 4 is here, and the function is called here. Function is serial printing the whatever I have given here. Okay, and then for my friend car, yes, his car color is green and wheels are 8, and you can see it here. Okay, and again I am saying I am a car and I can be driven, because that function is also, that method is also being called here. Okay, so if you want I can remove the spaces. That's fine. Okay, let's go. So I want to tell you guys, okay, so this way, so let's forget about this method implementation and calling, because this is already here. So when you call it from the object, this is working fine, but we are customizing these variables, right, or attributes here, right? See, we are customizing these attributes by manually, right? By writing the code we are customizing it. So when we are customizing, so we have a need to customize. That's true, because my car I want to be red and 4 wheels, and friend car I want to be green with 8 wheels. That is true, I have to customize it. But how do I customize? I call the object okay, I say the object, and I'm saying dot that particular field value or that attribute and assigning the value. Okay, same happens here as well. Okay, here also same, I say the object dot that feature or attribute and assigning the value, the object dot the attribute wheels and assigning the values. So just get to know, guys, this is not the way to do it. If you want to customize an attribute of a object, that which attribute is already in the class. Okay, so if you want to customize an attribute of an object from a class, you shouldn't be doing this way. Okay, this is wrong. For many reasons you are not allowed to do this, guys. Okay, so I will tell you the reasons in later, so why you shouldn't be directly assigning values to these what we call attributes, okay, or features. We will see how actually we should do it. Okay, so there are two things I want to tell you. Okay, since we know about the attributes and methods, if you want to assign values, okay, or if you want to retrieve values from a variable, you have something called setters and getters. Okay, we are saying this as setter and getter. So for the moment let's not talk about this getter, okay, because I'm sorry, guys, because yeah, let's not talk about the getter. We'll talk about the setter only. Okay, in the next video we'll talk about the getter. That means if you are going to assign a value to a particular variable, we are going to use something called setter. Okay, so what I will do is I'm going to write a setter here. So you may wonder what setter is. I will tell you this. Okay, so setter doesn't mean it's just a way we call something. Okay, setter is none other than a method. Okay, so I'm going to write a method to set the value to these attributes. So that is why I'm calling it as a setter. Okay, otherwise it doesn't make sense. Okay, so it is just some English word that we are using for our convenience. Okay, because we are here, we are setting the values directly. No, let's not do this. let's use a method for that. Okay, how to do this we will see. Okay, first I will write a method. Okay, so some method that I am going to use. Okay, I will say that method as public, okay, void. Okay, so I'm going to write a method to set the value to the color first. Okay, so I will say public void, I will say set color. So this is a setter because setting the color, and here I will pass a parameter, a string parameter. Okay, so I will give the name as color. Okay, so please remember guys, this variable and these variables are two different things. This is a global variable, the string color, and this string color is a local variable for this method only. Okay, so I hope you have some basic understanding of these methods and how to write this and things. So you can give any name if you want. You can give X, that's also fine. I'm just giving color just to make a good programming practice. Color. So please remember, this name and this variable are two different things. Okay, though for us both are looking like the same name but two different. So then what I have to do is I have to assign this color. That means whenever we are using this method, we are going to pass a string variable now, right? That is going to be called color. I'm going to assign this color to this main color. Okay, so how to differentiate? So if I am saying color dot is equal to color, it will be a little bit confusing, right? Because I don't know which color, because both are here, both are inside. So inside we have the local variable also accessible, this global variable is also accessible. We are inside this method, so we have to differentiate. Okay, this is the global variable, this is the local variable. So how to do is, there is something called this keyword, this dot color. Okay, so see, you can see this color and this color are in same color, blue, right? So when we are saying this dot color, then the program or this whatever this system will understand is meaning the main one, global one. Okay, whatever is owned by the globally owned by the class, he is meaning that variable, he is meaning that attribute. So when you are going this dot color, then string color will be referred. Okay, so and this color, so just saying color, then that will be understood. Okay, he is meaning this local variable. Okay guys, that's totally fine. So yes, so what I will now do is I'm going to use this. I'm not writing a method for this in this video. In the upcoming video we will see that. For only for setting the color value, I'm going to use this method. Okay guys, so using this method, I'm going to set the value. What I will do is I will create an object for this car. Okay, earlier that is how I did, right? My car object, and I said my car dot color is equal to green. Now what I will do is I will create a my car object, and I will call this method from that object, my car dot set color, because it is in the car object, right? Car class. So the object will be able to access this method, like how we accessed this method. Okay, and then I will use this method and I will pass my color here inside this method. Then immediately what will happen? For that car's string color variable, here that value I am passing will be assigned. You understand? This value will be assigned to this dot color. What is this dot color? This main color. Okay, so instead of directly giving, what I am giving is through this method, giving here and giving it here and assigning through this method. Okay guys, so let's try this out. So I will delete everything here, these things. Okay, so let these wheels to be 4, that's not a problem. Only we will do this. Okay, remove this part. Okay, so first I will assign the wheels, so let the wheel be here. So now I will assign this, which one? Assign this color. Okay, so what I will do is I will say my car dot set. See, set color method is already appearing here, set color, and I will say red. Okay guys, red. Okay, now I am printing this my car dot color, and let's see what happens. Okay guys, if it is really assigned to this color attributes, when I am printing my car dot color, it should be printed, right? So I will save this and I will run this and keep an eye on the output, guys. You see this, guys, red is printed here. Okay, even though I used this setter method, red is successfully printed using this my car dot color. Okay guys, so guys, just follow me in the next video. I will explain this further, guys. Until then, have a great day ahead, guys. Stay safe.